Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda CG125. It's a 2007 model. Really nice little bike to get into. Cheap to insure, tax and put fuel into. A1 category bike as well. Just come in and it's going at a nice and easy to the eyes price. So she's not mint, but she's not in bad condition, I would say. She does have these marks at the back, as you can see. Seat is in good condition, no rips or tears. Over the top then, if we can get this camera to focus, you have a little things of surface scratching. Tank or fuel cap is in good condition. Right hand side of the tank here has two little marks here and here. Then on the front fork seals look good. Front disc, there's the front mudguard. Exhaust is looking good as well, no rust in there. Little bit of fading on the rear metal here for the pillion foot pegs. Rear suspension onto the back wheel there. On the engine, a little bit of rubbing from the foot. And onto the front then, little marks on the end of the wing mirrors. A little bit of a tape up job here on the front speedo, but nothing too major. Front headlamp and indicators assembly looks good. Onto the left hand side then, as you can see, all looking fairly nice. Little dent here on the tank on the left hand side. Onto there, onto the swing arm. Everything else here looks good. A little bit of rubbing, as you can see, from the foot again. On the left hand side, chain cover's good. Onto the rear then. 2007 bike, as you can see, Dublin registered and has tax until the 7th 20. So that's it for the visual inspection of the CG125. Now go on to the ride along video. Alright, we're away on the Honda CG125. Hopefully my mic's working. The last video my mic failed when I was in town on the Gixxer 250. But anyway, it's this bike now. Nice. First thing you realise when you get on the bike is a nice sitting position. Very inviting, especially if you're new coming onto bikes. It's not threatening at all, this bike. Nor it doesn't look threatening, but nor is it threatening when you get onto the bike itself. She's riding very nicely. She starts up very easily. Just going through all the gears now. 4 and 5. So 5 gears, all up, or one down and rest up, as they say. Conventional gear type. You do get the CGs that have the kind of the same gearing as a Honda 90. The back and forth gears are all down or all up. So as you can see, turning circle is lovely on her, really easy. As you can see, the power is not threatening. I'm full throttle there and I'm going up to 50 kilometers an hour, the speed limit. Anything else on this bike? It is a trade-in from against one of the bikes that we sold out, which was a Kawasaki 250 TR. Really nice bike that was. She'll be coming with nearly a full tank of juice as well, which is a benefit. Cheap to insure, cheap to tax. You won't be taxing this until the 7th of this year anyway, because she's taxed already till then. She has a logbook. I can't tell you how many owners are on it, unfortunately. I cannot remember. Not too many though, I'd say. Only 23,000 kilometers on the clock, so you're looking in around 16,000, 17,000 miles, so fairly fresh. I'll just get off her now. She does have a side stand and a main stand. Put her into neutral. Very easy to get into neutral, which is important when you're a beginner. Side stand there. Grab rails at the back. Just going to get a little picture here for YouTube for the thumbnail. Here we are. There we are. CG125. Show you around the bike. That's what she looked like on the road. Sorry, I'm trying to get this into my pocket here. Indicators then. There's your front left and rear left. I usually get these wrong. And I look back on the video, I'm going right and left and who knows. There's your front right.
and there is your rear light, and your number plate light, which is legal, or needed to be legal, is working also. Horn then, working lovely. Everything else on the bike, mirrors all good, tyres are good, front and rear. She's ready to go, and she's going to be going at a cheap rate. The link to the ad, if you're viewing from YouTube rather than the Done Deal page, is in the description if you do want to take a look at her. So that's it for the Honda CG125. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also, comment down below what you make of these CG125s, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.